Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Wave! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the something went wrong error on X, Twitter. This issue can stop you from loading tweets, logging in, or using the app properly. Don't worry, let's fix it step by step. First, open the X Twitter app on your phone. Tip 1. Check your internet connection. This error often happens because of a weak or unstable connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on and off. Try loading other apps to confirm internet is working. Tip 2. Restart the app. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary glitch. Close the X Twitter app completely, reopen it, and check if the problem is fixed. Tip 3. Clear app cache for Android. If you're using Android, clearing cache can solve many errors. Go to Settings, Apps, X Twitter, tap Storage, tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your account. Tip 4. Update the app. Using an outdated version can cause errors. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for X Twitter, and tap Update if available. Tip 5. Log out and log back in. Account-related glitches can cause this error. Log out of your account, restart the app, log back in again. Tip 6. Check X server status. Sometimes the problem is not from your side. If X Twitter servers are down, you may see this error. In this case, you just need to wait until the servers are back online. Tip 7. Reinstall the app. If nothing works, try reinstalling it. Uninstall the app, reinstall it from the store, and log back in. Final result. After following these steps, the something went wrong problem on X Twitter should be fixed and the app should work normally again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.